Thank you so much for testing Shokken. Your time and feedback really mean a lot. You're helping shape this app into something truly useful. Without much ado, let's dive right in. Before you start, this video is for Android testers only. If you're testing on iOS, please watch the separate video linked in the description. Step 1. Go to shokken.rsvp. Open your browser and head to shokken.rsvp. This is your main hub for everything: testing info, releases, updates, and discussions. If you ever get lost, this is the place to come back to. Step 2. Join the Google group. You'll need to join a Google group. This step only serves one purpose. It gives you Play Store access to the alpha version of the app. It's not used for discussions or updates. After joining, typically, you should be able to access the test invite right away. If you still can't, give it a little time and try again later. Sometimes Google takes a short while to update permissions. Step 3. Accept the invitation and install. Once the test invite becomes active, accept it, and then click the Get It on Google Play button to install the app. Because Shokken is still in active development, what you see might differ from this video. Step 4. Log in. Open the app and log in using your email address. Check your spam folder if you don't receive the login code right away. Step 5. Start testing. Now comes the fun part. Imagine you're a host at a busy restaurant with a long wait list. Use Shokken to take down customer names, party sizes, and email addresses. Then, tell them they can leave and wait for an email notification when their table's ready. As you test, make sure the welcome email arrives when you first add a guest. Use the notify action. Your guest should receive another email. Finally, dismiss the guest when they're seated. This should trigger one last message. That's the happy path. Please make sure to test it fully. After that, try breaking things. Use different email addresses, restart the app mid-process, add too many guests, anything that helps reveal bugs. Step 6. Penetration testing. If you have security or penetration testing experience, go for it. Try to push the limits. Extract API keys, spoof the backend, impersonate the client, whatever your skills allow. But please do so responsibly. Do not share any extracted data or credentials publicly. If you discover a vulnerability or potential security issue, contact me directly rather than posting it publicly. There's no sensitive production data in this environment, so feel free to experiment safely and responsibly. Step 7. Reporting and feedback. When you're ready to share your test results or suggestions, please use any of the support contact methods listed on the issue tracker page. If you're unsure how to report, just reach out directly. We'll handle it together. When submitting your report, please include your device model and Android version, a description of what happened and how to reproduce it, and the build number of your app. To find the build number, tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the app bar. Scroll to the bottom of the profile bottom sheet. You'll see the build number listed there. Please include that number in your report. It helps identify exactly which version you're using. Your feedback and testing directly influence both Google's evaluation of the app's readiness and the direction of future development, so every detail counts. We'll be running this test for some time with updates released regularly, so keep an eye on shokken.rsvp for new versions. If you know anyone who could benefit from this app, restaurant owners, dentists, barbers, please share it with them. The more people test, the better the app becomes. Once again, thank you so much for being a part of the Shokken journey. Your feedback is what brings this project to life. What are you waiting for? Let's get to testing.